Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video and flip through. Today we're taking a look at Whispers of the Ocean Oracle cards by Angela Hartfield and artwork by, I'm going to try, Ekaterina Golovanova. Did I do it right? Did I say it right? Oh, I hope I did. I'm getting better. I'm learning. So I have one other deck by Angela Hartfield, I believe, and I do love it. It's Whispers of Love. So I'm excited about this because this artwork looks stunning. And of course, it's ocean themed, and we all know how much I love my oceans. Also, I think one person recommended this to me, and I'm sorry, I'm not shouting you out because I can't remember your specific name, and I apologize, but you know who you are. So comment down below. I'm finally doing it. So yes, this person has told me that, oh, you have to check this deck out, and I'm like, it's in my list, it's coming. So I'm really excited. Anyway, this is published by Blue Angel, and it retails for $23.99. And so I think this is about a year old because the copyright is 2019. Anyway, let's see what it says on the back here. It says, immerse yourself in the wisdom of the deep. Enjoy the flow and master the currents of your life with playful dolphins, patient seahorses, regenerative starfish, and other fascinating marine beings. Ask a question, shuffle the cards, and tap into the intelligence and grace of our planet's rich, healing, and revitalizing oceans for divination, direction, and decision-making. Alliteration! Woo! This sumptuous new collaboration from Angela Hartfield and Ekaterina Golovanova, yes! Delves beneath the surface and connects you with ancient, knowing, and wondrous companions so you can draw on greater strength, replenish your reserves, turn the tide on uncertainty, and emerge with clarity, purpose, and confidence. Powerful, versatile, and sensitive, Whispers of the Ocean will help you ride the waves of life so you can come out on top. Dive into this gloriously illustrated 50-card deck and guidebook set. Woo! And marvel at the beauty, forgotten treasures, and hidden wonders within you. So, $23.95. It is a little high on the price for Oracle. I mean, not really, but it's higher, $23.95. But you're getting 50 cards, so I'm excited. Let's check it out. It is your top box opening. Nothing special inside. It's okay. Toss you away. And okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's take a look at the guidebook real fast. It's a decent size. Yes, okay. Oh, there's some spreads. All right, let's take a look. Here we go. Yeah, copyright 2019. Nice. Introduction, and then we just get card messages. Sweet. All right. Life on Earth originated in the ocean. Yes, it did. Okay. Preparing your cards. Ask a question. Shuffle the cards. Choose a card. And then we have the 5-pointed star spread. And then the answer spread. Ooh, interesting. Okay. And then, bam, we've got the messages. Fantastic. Let's get flipping. So this is the back, and it is stunning. Stunning. It's matte, you guys. There's no gloss. Love it. It is a big deck as well. I feel like it's a little bit bigger than your typical Oracle deck. A little bit longer, I think. Okay, let's flip through. So it has the title of the card. Oh, they're numbered. Yay, they're numbered. Excuse me. My allergies have been going crazy because things are blooming, and I have allergies from like the beginning of spring, March, all the way to the middle of July. It's insane. So yeah, Claritin, shout out to you, boo. All right. And then it says there's no need to rush or push. This is time to take things as they come. You have the determination and patience to handle what is happening. Perfect. So far with just this first card, very beginner friendly. Let's move on. Oh my gosh. Okay. The cardstock is very nice. It feels really nice too. It's kind of buttery, velvety maybe. Ooh, okay. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's so vibrant. So vibrant. Like, it's not muddy. Like, you sometimes expect Under the Sea cards to kind of be kind of muddy because of all of the, you know, tonalities that they have to do for the waters. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, okay. So, watching otters at the zoo was my favorite thing. That and the flamingos were my favorite little exhibits. I don't really go to zoos anymore. I'm kind of depressed when I do that. But otters, the holding hands, I can't. I love them so much. Those are gorgeous cards. Wow. Okay. So yeah, very, very impressed. Sorry, I'm just trying to get comfortable in a good position here for you. Can you just see all the detail? It's absolutely stunning. Okay. Stingrays mean a lot to me, obviously. This is gorgeous. I'm impressed. I'm like super, super, super impressed. There are no borders. It's just straight up artwork, and then what the card is. Oh my gosh. So cute. You can literally look at the cards for hours just to see all the little details in it. Oh. Wow. Okay, so those of you that do own this deck, I want to know how you feel about it. What are your thoughts? What do you use it for? Is it one of your go-tos? Because I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to be using this a lot. Instantly connect to it. Those of you that don't have this deck, what are your thoughts? I want to know what you feel about this. How you feel about it, I should say. Oh my goodness. Oh, love it. Is it something that you're into? I see a lot of you guys commenting, you know, on the mermaid decks that you're like, I don't like mermaids. It's not my cup of tea. You know, cute deck, but not for me. Is this more your cup of tea? Just because like it's just straight up realistic animals in the ocean? Like, I always love hearing what you guys think about these decks because everybody is different. So to me, if I like something, I know 9 other people aren't going to like it, you know? So to me, I always love having that kind of a conversation with everyone. Oh, it's gorgeous. My goodness. So I'm excited to see how they shuffle. Ooh, it's just so detailed. And then hopefully a card will fall out that wants to be read, and we can look at the guidebook and see what it says. Oh my goodness. Wow. Unexplained wonder. Love it. Oh, the flying fish. Wow. I'll tell you, going to an aquarium, I've been to a couple, one of the most magical experiences. And if you hear fireworks going off right now, I apologize. Due to my, going back to work, I'm on a different kind of schedule when I do these videos. So right now it's like 9 o'clock at night. Oh yeah, it shuffles fantastic. Whoop! Except for the user error. These are a bigger deck size, so people with smaller hands, it might be a little harder for you to shuffle. All right, what card wants to come out and be read? Yeah, it is a little bit bigger. It's like a tad bit awkward for me, but that's all right. Okay, we'll take you. Connect to source. All right. Go within to discover what needs to be done. Create the shift required to attract what you want. That's gorgeous. Okay. So it is numbered. It is 47. Everything you do and think influences your world. Take a moment to reflect on what your intentions and actions are. Be more reserved, patient, and tender, both with yourself and with those around you. Be ready for the many opportunities coming to you. You are undergoing a deeper, sacred journey, which is all about bringing greater meaning and purpose into your life, and which will renew your inner energy. You are anticipating that your future will be better than the period of life lessons you have just completed. There is a promise of your life purpose that should encourage and inspire you to deepen your inner connection. Trust you will attain all you are yearning for. The beauty of your soul and your connection to the divine source is trying to tell you something important. Feather stars are starfish with bodies that have adapted to living upside down. They firmly attach to rocks on the ocean floor. The feather star connects to many aspects of balancing the mind, body, and spirit. There are times we need to go within for answers and to find inner strength and resolve and tap into deep emotions. That is awesome. So it does look like they give you like a little snippet of why they chose that particular creature for that card. And I love that. So you're learning a little bit of oceanography. Is that right? Marine biology? Sure. But yes, you can see, you can flip right to your particular card with the table of contents here. And what I do, I don't even do that anymore. I just flip through the book. I ain't that coordinated. No. But anyway, I absolutely love this. It's perfect for beginners. It's absolutely stunning. The artwork, I mean, chef's kiss. Gorgeous. Love it. I think it's phenomenally done. Whoever you are that recommended me that I would connect with this and I would love it. I really do. Thank you so much. So the fact that it's not glossy is fantastic, at least for me, because when I do readings for my channel here, it's hard sometimes to not have the ring light in the gloss. So the fact that they're matte is a bonus for sure. But enough about me and my thoughts. I want to know what your thoughts are. I think this is very much user-friendly. I think this is stunning. I think if you're into ocean or if this is calling you, this is a perfect oracle deck. I think it's definitely more of a deck that has more inward thinking answers, as well as to be able to use it for your daily pulls, your meditation pulls, your journaling, your tarot journal, however you do however you would want to use your oracle cards. this is a perfect deck for it. It's not specific to one thing, which is fantastic. The artwork, I just cannot get enough of. Like, this is stuff that I would want to put up on my walls and look at all day long. It's so detailed and so vibrant, and it's so like literally full of life. Like, I am just phenomenally in love with all of it. I think that I love this deck of hers, of Angela Hartfield's, a lot more than I love the Whispers of Love. Just saying. But only because I feel more connected to the content. But I would love to know what you think. Let me know down in the comment section below if you own this deck, or if you don't own this deck. Is it on your wish list? What do you love about it? What don't you like about it? Is it anywhere in your wish list? Or you know what I'm trying to say, right? Again, it's like 9 o'clock at night. It's been a day, you know. I so enjoy talking with you guys down in the comment section and getting to know how you feel about certain decks. So it's been fun for me. I so love it. So let me know what you think. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you'll never miss a video upload from me. So $23.95 if you're paying full retail price for this deck, absolutely worth it. Absolutely. So I hope you all enjoy the rest of your evening or whatever time of day you are watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.